Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. Slipped or herniated discs happen when the inside of your spinal disc pushes through the exterior. Believe it or not, most herniated discs don't cause any pain or symptoms at all. But if you're struggling with sudden pain after lifting or twisting, a herniated disc may be to blame. As you age, your spinal discs become less flexible, and it can make you more prone to tearing or herniating a disc as you lift or twist. Good news is that over 95% of spinal disc herniations can be resolved without drugs or surgery. Here are a few tips to get recovered from a herniated disc. Number one is exercise. Low back mobility and stability exercises have been shown to have positive effects on recovery from lumbar disc herniations. Exercise can also help with your proprioception or awareness in space, which can help reduce your risk of re-injury. Second is chiropractic. Depending on your specific condition, our care may include gentle spinal adjustments to improve your range of motion and decrease pain, as well as stretching and strengthening exercises aimed at returning your spine to its normal function. And finally, support. Back braces can help give you an extra support as you begin your care and treatment. But be careful, using a back brace over a long period of time is not recommended. They should only be used short term to help you get relief, take the pressure off your low back, and help you return to your normal activities of daily living. Many leading healthcare organizations have recommended chiropractic care for the treatment of disc issues. To discover more information to improve your health, please stay tuned, visit this Facebook page, and be sure to like, follow, and see first. My name is Dr. Jeff Langmaid, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.